Alright, here's the 10 best antivirus software. Let me see if you can see my video good. Alright, without taking much of your time, as you can see, short on time, there's the best antivirus for 2020. The best 10 antivirus I'm gonna show you all for 2020. So stay tuned, make sure you watch the video right till the end, and give me a thumbs up if you like the video, guys. Yeah. Alright, so let's go down. You can see number one rating here is Norton, but I'm gonna prove you wrong that Norton is not the number one rating. Alright, I'm gonna show you my number one rating, and you are gonna see why it's a number one rating. Okay, so let's go down, let's walk through and see. Yeah, Norton is the best overall antivirus for Windows plus Android. It's a great antivirus, don't get me wrong, guys. Norton 360 is a great antivirus, awesome antivirus to use. Yeah, but I'm gonna show you my number one, my preferred antivirus. So if you really want to use that, it's up to you to make your choice. If you want to use Norton, Norton is awesome, it's great, you can use that as well. If you don't want to use awesome, there are 100 types of different types of antivirus that you can use. So as you can see, we have McAfee total protection, which says is best for online security plus best iOS app. This is awesome. I've used this before. It's great, protects you online whatsoever. For those of you who like going online doing such, it's awesome, it's great. You can see the features down. I'm not going to be reading through all of this due to time, because I know not everyone really want to watch your video till the end, and it takes time to go through all of this. So if you really want to know the features and go through all of this, I'm gonna leave the link in the description below. Make sure you visit safetydetective.com. safetydetective.com is a great site to visit to know everything, if you really want to know everything about antivirus softwares. So like I said, I'm gonna drop the link on the description below this video after the video, so make sure you check the link on the description below. Okay, moving on, we have Antigo antivirus software is great, best overall antivirus for Mac. For those of you who are using Mac operating system, this is awesome. This is awesome antivirus for you guys to use on your Mac operating system. And you can see it, real-time malware protection. Just go through it. Mac anti-optimization and cleaning tools. It's great. It's great. Without no wasting much of our time, let's move on. We have Avira Prime, best for anti-malware engine plus system optimization. This is awesome as well. It's an awesome antivirus. You can see it's really great, guys. Moving on. You can see the features right here. You can see some of the features of it. So just visit the site and learn more about this. Know what best for you to use. Okay, we have Total AV, easiest antivirus software to use. It's true, it's the easiest antivirus software to use. Yes, I've used it before and it's great, but I wouldn't recommend you to use because I've used it before and I know how it works. No, just go through the site, make your choice, see what best for you. All right, and if you want me to recommend one for you, don't forget to leave me a comment below. I will do so. I will definitely recommend one for you if you really want me to do so. All right, you can see the features right here, what. Okay, you can go through. Moving on, we have Bullguard, best for high powered protection and gamers. For those of you who love playing games, online gaming and all those stuff, this is awesome for you guys to use. Alright, it's awesome. You can go there and scroll down and see the future stuff. You can learn more about it. No, moving on, we have Bitdefender total security. Hey guys, this is my number one antivirus software. Bitdefender total security is awesome. It's a great antivirus, best for extra features. It's so true, so true. Bitdefender is awesome. I'm using it. I know what it is. It's great. Alright, but it's not like you're 100% safe. No. Even if you're using Bitdefender 85%, no, you're not safe. As long as you're online, you're not safe. Alright, so you can see the features of Bitdefender. If you really want to know more about it, just visit the site and learn more. Like I said, due to time, I'm not going to run through all of this. I'm just going to show you the best different types of antivirus and why my number one is Bitdefender. Alright, good. Alright, let's moving on. We have Trade Micro. Trade Micro is great, best for phishing protection. Yes, that is true, it's correct. Best for phishing protection. You can read through and know more about Trade Micro. Internet security, maximum security. Yes, it's great, it's awesome. You can read through and get more details about Norton, about Trade Micro. Alright, moving on. Number 9, we have Kaspersky internet security. Yeah, Kaspersky internet security, most for banking, shopping online. But you can see it here, best for online shopping plus banking. This is awesome. It's an awesome software for those of you who love shopping online and do online banking as well. Alright, even the other antivirus, like I mentioned, the other antivirus, like I mentioned earlier, is awesome. It's great as well. But if you really want to know more about it, you can just click on each and read more and see which one is best for you guys. Alright, good. Moving on, number 10 on the list is PendaDom. Best for flexible pricing. That's PendaDom, guys. PendaDom. So you can read, like I said, you can just go through them. Visit the safetydetective.com. I'm gonna leave the link below. Make sure you visit that site to know more about the antivirus and to know exactly which one is best for you. Alright, so thanks for watching this video. See you on my next video, where I'm gonna walk you step by step on how to download any type of antivirus software on your computer, phone, tablet, and whatever device that you're using. And do not forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Hit the notification button for more of my video. And if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, guys. I look forward to see your comment below on which antivirus you want me to recommend for you, as well as tell me whatsoever you want me to shoot video on. Okay, remember, drop your comment below, guys. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe. See you on my next video. All right.